Today we are making snowball cookies. They are so delicious, nutty, buttery, basically melt in your mouth. We need to crush up some pecans for this recipe. I am using this grinder. It has been so useful. If you have a fruit processor, you can do this as well. But I got this on Amazon and it's been amazing. We're gonna start making dough by combining butter and sugar together, and I have my butter sitting at room temperature. It's unsalted butter. I'm gonna add that to the mixing bowl. Go sugar. Ooh. Here we go. At this point, you can add your pecans and flour. And then turn up the speed as it goes. Once the dough is all combined, you want to shape it into small balls. I am using a cookie scoop that's about 1.5 inches, and just shape it like this and place it a few inches apart on your baking sheet. They do spread a little bit when they're baking, but not a ton, so you can just kind of line them up as you go. We're gonna pop them in the oven at 350 for about 13 minutes. You'll see the edges starting to get a little bit brown, and that's when you're done. We have the cookies all baked and chilled for a few minutes, about 10 minutes until they're like not hot, and I coat them in powdered sugar generously. And this is how easy it is to make this 5-ingredient snowball cookies that you will absolutely love.